Okay, this is the 600 I bought. It's got a Sherman backhoe on it, older backhoe. Tires are in good shape. The owner had dismantled it a couple of years ago to do some work on it. So I just put back the radiator, the fan, and I'm hot wiring it to get it going. I took the bucket off. The bucket's already loaded on the truck. You can see here I put a 12-volt battery in and a 12-volt coil, and you could see here I got alligator clips to hook it up. I'll show you how to hook it up. Clean the points on it. Had to clean the carburetor. Ran a temp tank. Screwed a piece of wood down into that piece and hung the temp tank off it. The carb's an aftermarket carb. Does have one of these on the side. Anyway, like I said, the tires are in good shape. The backhoe's not bad. I got the backhoe up and it's chained to the front. And I got the bucket up and chained. So we're gonna attempt to start this up. You want to block up the wheels. Make sure you got the wheels blocked, and what you want to do is make sure it's in neutral, because you don't want this thing running you over. So what we do is we come in here and take that clip I showed you that powers up the coil, and we put it on like so. Then we take a jumper cable. Hang on a little. And we put the jumper cable right on there so it doesn't hit anything. Right on the positive of the 12-volt battery. Again checking in, it's a neutral. Give it a little bit of gas. We're going to choke it a little bit, and then in by the starter, we're going to touch the starter. Disconnect this cable again, and she's running off the 12-volt battery. As you can see, sounds pretty good. Can't see if the oil pressure's coming up. The oil pressure looks to be about 40. I don't know if the gauge works. Okay, that's about it.